it's Keena and I am literally ecstatic to welcome you guys to The Antidote, the cannabis cooking show that makes medicating delicious. I've even got my own antidote mug like the one Jay Leno used to have that he never drank out of, so hopefully I get a chance to drink out of it. In addition to the premiere, it's actually my birthday. So, in honor of my birthday, I am making my favorite comfort food, baked macaroni and cheese. So this is gonna be super exciting. The ingredients that you'll need are 2.5 cups of macaroni noodles, 2 cups of milk, 3 eggs, 2 cups of cheddar cheese. I used mild and sharp. Make sure you separate it and leave half a cup of sharp for later on. I have salt. I like to use Himalayan pink salt, but you can use whatever salt you like. Pepper, ground mustard, and 2 tablespoons of flour. And to medicate this recipe, we'll be using 1/4 cup of cannabis butter or half a stick. Now, if you're thinking, Keena, how in the world am I supposed to get cannabis butter? Or you're very new to cannabis cooking. Check out my Cannabis Cooking 101 online course. It'll teach you all the basics to get started. To get started, we're going to boil our macaroni noodles for about 6 minutes. While our macaroni is cooking, we're gonna get started on the cheese sauce. So we're gonna turn the pot to medium heat, it's already on, and we're gonna melt down our cannabis butter. Once the butter's melted, we'll add our flour and spices. I can smell the cannabis already. Now that everything's incorporated, we'll add our 2 cups of milk. Whisking really slowly. Make sure there aren't any lumps from the flour left in your milk. Now my favorite part, the cheese. We're going to stir this cheese until it's completely melted. Now that our pasta is cooked and our cheese sauce is ready, we're going to pan it up. And then we're going to take our 3 beaten eggs and mix it in with the noodles. Some people don't use beaten egg. I like to use it because it really helps hold the cheese and pasta together. Just going to give that a good stir. Now we'll add our cannabis infused cheese sauce. Ooh, that looks so good. I'm getting hungry. Birthday dinner. You just want to make sure you get it all out. I like to use a spatula so that I can get everything out of the pan. We're going to mix our cheese sauce right into the pasta. It's nice and gooey and cheesy. You want every noodle to be covered in cheese. Make sure your pasta is spread evenly in the casserole pan. Now we're going to cover our mac and cheese with a little bit of foil. I like to use the non-stick on one side kind because I don't want you to lose any of the cheese. And then we're going to pop it in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. Our mac and cheese is baked for 30 minutes, so we're going to take it out. Be very careful. It's super hot. Now we're going to top the mac and cheese with the remaining half cup of cheddar. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. We're going to pop it back in the oven, uncovered this time, for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, and now our mac and cheese is ready to serve. That is gorgeous macaroni and cheese. I don't know about you guys, but I am ready to start this birthday and eat some mac and cheese. Oh my gosh. That is some cheesy deliciousness. Now it's my favorite part, the taste. Oh my god. That is so good. You gotta make this, seriously. All right, guys, I have had a ton of birthday fun with you guys. Tag my Antidote TV in any pictures you guys post so that I can see what you make. I would love to see it. Let me know in the comments if you like this recipe, what recipes you like to see me make, or anything else you guys want to chat about. And please do like, share, and subscribe. It totally helps. All right, guys, I'm gonna eat this. I'll see you guys next week on The Antidote.